my channel. I'm Tyler, and I'm gonna be showing you all my slimes that I got. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you is favorite one. It's black. Can't get it. Whoopsie daisies. Can't get it open, so I have to use these. There we go. Let me put these back. There we go. Alright, I'm sorry, my hair's a mess this morning. Alright, so just have to take it out of the bag. And it's really jiggly. Jiggly. This takes up dirt, anything, but this is my favorite slime. So yeah, it can take up dirt, stretchy, it's watery. I wish I was like about this slime, but this is black, and you can just alright, so that one's that. Next one, I'm going to show you the farts. All the farts. I'm actually about to say one of them yesterday, but they're little bitty ones, and they all have the same color. I'm just going to show you. They're different. I don't know. This is the fart. Here's one fart. They eat it. I lost the blue one. I mean the pink one. And this is the focus one. Driving since I'm This smells really good. Let me get those little pieces. I'm sorry it's 6 long. I'm tired. Next one, I'm going to show you this pink. I mixed some little beads in it. See? It's very stretchy, but it's bouncy. Stretchy or bouncy. I like this one. Next one. Glittery, orange pinkish slime. It's glittering. Yeah. I love this one. It's really squishy, like clear slime. To make it, it's really squishy. But the bad thing about it is it's not even stretchy, it's just bouncy. It's just bouncy, not sticky or anything. pokey. So that you can stretch it. And it can stretch it. I like it, but just don't stretch it off. Just tear it apart. I don't like it anymore. Something like that. Can explain that. Okay, so that one. Okay, next one. This one. Bluish yellowish one. Literally. At least this part. Okay, so yeah. Look at it. I think you could hear from the camera, so yeah. So this is my blue and yellow one. Alright, so that one's that one. And I have one more of these ones. And that one. A galaxy kind of color. I think this one's the almost the stretchiest one I got because I added a little bit of tide to this one. So let's just see. Yeah, it'll break instantly. See, it's stretchy. See all the colors in it? It's stretchy. This one's the only stretchy one I got. It breaks, no. It's stretchy. Oh, it hurts. Alright. I think I got little unicorn slime that I made. That I put this whole container. I like the slime, but it's just not stretchy at all. Okay, yeah, that's really right. It's really squishy and pokey. You poke it, it goes all the way through your hand, right? Yeah. But if you just like sit there and do nothing with it, it's not gonna go anywhere. There it is, right? Okay. The last one, I think. This orange neon pretty color. It's just magic on our hair. It's neon. It's really pretty. It's neon color. This is the awesomest one I've got so far. It's really stretchy because I made this one. I got the rest from the store. Except for like just this one I made by myself. Make anyone make by myself. Yeah. This is the only one I made by myself. I know, right? It's like really cool. Like you can feel the texture on it, right? Yeah, it's cool, but it's really poppy, and it sticks to your like. You know how like you never play with slime with like everywhere. I play slime with a lot. So yeah. I just got these yesterday. I have more of it at the house. So yeah, I'm gonna catch the other ones. At my grandma's right now. She's only 47. She's like 46. Yeah. This was 47. Thank you guys for watching my video, and love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.